Hi, I'm Alan Huot from Wildlife Control Supplies, and I'd like to talk to you today about the Safeguard Rodent Trap. This trap measures 10 inches long by 3 inches square and is made of galvanized metal, as you can see. It's got air ventilation holes punched on both sides of the trap as well as the top. And what I'd like to do now is show you how, when I first receive it, I adjust the trap, how you want to best bait it, and also how I set it. So when you first receive your Safeguard Rodent Trap, it comes in a plastic bag. I take it out of the bag, and one of the first things that I do is I close these ventilation holes on the top of the trap with a piece of duct tape. I'll show you why I do that in a minute. All of my rodent traps have those ventilation holes on the top blocked. The next thing you want to do is open up the trap and adjust it to your liking. And it's very simple. Here's the back door. You just open the back door and the trap opens right up. This is your triggering pan. And one of the things that I like to do is, using my thumb, I put a slight bend in that pan. And if you can kind of picture it, this is the triggering pan. When the animal walks across it, by giving it that slight bend, you're actually increasing the sensitivity. It's like the end of a seesaw. The other thing is, show you where we bait it. Right here on the back door, you take your favorite paste bait, and I'll smear it right on the back door of the rodent trap. Maybe press some seed into it if you like. And then you close the trap right back up. Okay? Close the back door. Now you're ready to set your Safeguard Rodent Trap. Let me turn it around so you can see the door. I'd like you to see how easy. So let me go ahead and trigger the trap so that you can see how the door snaps shut. I've opened up the back door, and I'll just reach in and touch that triggering pan. You can see the door snaps shut in back of, say, your chipmunk or your mouse, small rodent. And now let's talk about how and where I set this thing. Along walkways, around foundations, along stone walls, but in mulch beds specifically is the reason that I put the tape on the top I mentioned earlier. And I'll make a trough with my hand or a channel and lay that trap right in it and then cover the trap over. So it looks, all you see is the opening of the trap when it's laying in a mulch bed, sometimes slightly at an angle, and it looks like an opening to a tunnel, and the chipmunk will readily go right in, the door will snap shut behind them, and you'll have a live captured chipmunk. I hope you like the Safeguard Rodent Trap as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Good luck.